Today we're going to take a brief look into acid-base chemistry. By adding acetic acid, which is commonly known as vinegar, to sodium bicarbonate, which is commonly known as baking soda, we will see the formation of sodium acetate and carbonic acid. However, since carbonic acid is so unstable, it will break down even further into water and carbon dioxide. What we see here is a simple neutralization or acid-base reaction in which acetic acid serves as the acid and sodium bicarbonate serves as the base in the reaction. So let's take a look at this reaction using the volcano demonstration. In order to construct the volcano, we need a plastic bottle, scissors to cut a hole in the bottle, surgical tubing, duct tape, a piece of cardboard, clay, and of course the vinegar and the baking soda. So now let's put the volcano together. So now that we've got our plastic bottle and our surgical tubing connected to the cardboard, we're going to put clay around the outside to make it look like a real volcano. Okay, so now it's time to see the reaction in action. First, we're going to add 9 tablespoons of the baking soda, which is the sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to set this aside, and we're going to put 2 cups of vinegar. And so that it looks like lava, we're going to put a little bit of red food coloring in it also. And just stir it up a little bit. Okay, so now it's time to add it. We're going to use our funnel at the end of the surgical tubing. We're just going to pour the vinegar right on in. Get ready, here it comes. What you're seeing is the CO2 bubbles from the carbonic acid forming CO2 and water. What you have just seen is the reaction of acetic acid with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium acetate and carbonic acid. While the sodium acetate stayed inside the volcano, the unstable carbonic acid flowed from the top of the volcano in the form of water and carbon dioxide. So even though this is not actually what happens when a volcano erupts in nature, this is a good demonstration to show how acids and bases react.